Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you're staring at a screen that says iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes, it usually means too many incorrect passcode attempts have been made, whether by you, a family member, or someone else. This security feature is designed to protect your data, but it can be incredibly frustrating when you're locked out of your own device. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue using two effective methods. The first method is the official approach using iTunes on a Windows PC or Finder on a Mac. This is the method Apple recommends, but it comes with some important requirements. To begin, you'll need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. The button combination depends on your iPhone model. For most modern iPhones with Face ID, quickly press and release the volume up button, the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side power button until you see the recovery mode screen. iTunes or Finder will detect a device in recovery mode and display a pop-up with two options, Restore or Update. Select Restore. This will download the latest iOS firmware and completely wipe your device, including the forgotten passcode. However, there's a major catch with this method. It typically only works if Find My iPhone was turned off on the device beforehand. This brings us to the second and more universally effective method, using PassFab iPhone Unlock. This professional tool is specifically designed to handle situations like a disabled iPhone or forgotten passcode, even when the traditional iTunes method fails. First, download and install PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer using the link in the video description below. Launch the program and you'll see the main interface. Select the Unlock iOS screen option from the menu. Now, connect your disabled iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. The software will provide clear, step-by-step visual instructions to help you put your device into recovery mode for your specific iPhone model. This makes the process incredibly easy, even if you're not very technical. Once your iPhone is detected in recovery mode, click Download to get the latest firmware package that matches your device. The software will automatically handle the download for you. After the download is complete, click Start to Remove to begin the unlocking process. This will completely erase your iPhone, remove the disabled screen, and reinstall the system. The entire process usually takes just a few minutes. Once it's finished, your iPhone will restart and display the Hello Setup screen, just like a brand new device. You can then set it up again and restore your data from an iCloud or iTunes backup if you have one. If this tutorial helped you regain access to your iPhone, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more helpful tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.